Nandiyan na si Hamud. Kunin na natin yung pinipare natin. Ano sa kanya? Surprise. Kala niya hindi ko alam birthday niya. Kala niya lang. Wait lang guys. Antayin natin. Nagtatago ako dito. Para pagdating niya makikita ko siya agad. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, mahal. Scorpio. Happy birthday. Blow mo na to. Blow your cake. Love you. Kiss ko. Uy. Love you. Bakit ka cry? I'm waiting you. What time now? 2 o'clock. From 12 o'clock, I'm waiting you.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. Love you.
You're a good wife. You're my best friend.
Picture tayo.